What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for this week's episode of Shoe Care Academy. Today, I'm gonna be cleaning these Jordan 3 white cement golf shoes. Now, you don't see a lot of Jordan golf shoes, but this one was actually released on the 30th anniversary of the AJ3. And you know Michael Jordan was an avid golfer. He loved the game, especially if you've seen The Last Dance. And if you haven't, you gotta go watch that documentary series. It's fantastic. So this weekend, I was able to actually go out and play some golf with some of our homies here at Reshoevn8r.
Gents, this is what it is.
We got Matt and Jared, who works over in Many Worlds in our retail space. We're gonna go ahead and clean up this shoe today, and for the purposes of before and after, I'm just gonna clean one shoe, so I'm gonna set this guy off to the side, and we'll go ahead and get our cleaning station set up.
Sneaker giveaways are back. That's right guys, for the month of November, another crazy Reshoevn8r giveaway is here. We'll be giving one lucky winner a chance at winning a pair of Grateful Dead SBs in your size. And these are valued over $1,000. All you have to do to enter, guys, is make sure you're subscribed to Reshoevn8r, which you should be if you're watching this video. Follow Many Worlds on Instagram, which you can find in the description below, and sign up for the newsletter. And one lucky winner has a chance at winning these Grateful Dead SBs, guys. We have one more thing to do. You gotta go to gleam.io, which is linked in the description as well, and answer the secret question. And that's it, guys. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
All right, so I got my cleaning station all set up, but before we get into things, I just wanna give you guys a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit those post notifications, because in every single video, we do a giveaway. Today, we're gonna be giving away a signature kit. So stay tuned to the end of the video for the details on how you can win that. And for today's cleaning, I'm actually gonna be using the Deep Clean Signature Bundle, which comes with everything that you see here besides our new drying rack and bowl combo. This is a pretty sweet product I'm pretty excited about. So you got your bowl and you've got a drying rack for your brushes, so you can set them there and help maintain the life of those brushes a little bit longer. But I'm gonna go ahead and get our shoelaces removed and stick our shoe tree into the shoe. We'll set that aside for later and go ahead and get our waterproof and adjustable shoe tree set up for the sizing. These are a 10.5. So let's see if I got my sizing right. Just a little bit bigger. All right, there we go. So that stretches out the shape of the shoe so you don't lose any of that integrity of the shape. That's really gonna allow us to put some pressure on the toe box and really maintain the shape of the shoe throughout the laundry. So we got the shoe tree in the shoe, I've got my water. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 small squirts of the solution into our bowl. All right, that should be all you need. It's a concentrated solution, so you don't need to waste it. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my soft bristle brush. Now, golf's not really too much of like a dirty sport, but there are water hazards and sand traps all over the place. You're gonna get some mud, and especially you're gonna get some grass stuck down there in those spikes on the bottom of the shoes. So you really wanna clean your golf shoes as often as you can. I know these Jordan 3s are gonna clean up super well. Now I'm just going for a quick pre-treatment with this soft bristle brush, but I wanna give you guys a reminder just to make sure that you like peel back those lace guards and really get behind every crack and crevice of the shoe, because that's where stuff can get trapped in. And it's really a pain if you don't get it in that first pre-treatment. All right, so I got one pass on those uppers. There's still a little bit of mud caked into a few areas, so I'm gonna hit it once more. I'm also gonna go after this sock liner here. It's looking pretty cooked. I'm confident that all of this dirt is actually gonna come out in the laundry, but we're gonna try and loosen up as much of it as we can. So just go ahead and get that again. All right guys, so you can already tell that those sock liners are looking way better compared to what they were. But anytime you've got dirt cooked into a sock liner like that, you definitely want to hit the laundry system and get that thing fully saturated so everything can come out. And if you don't do that, you're gonna dry up with like some dingy and gray looking sock liners, which nobody wants on a clean shoe. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this one more time on the uppers with the soft bristle brush just to loosen up that mud and dirt, and then we'll move on to our next step. All right, so we finished the pre-treatment on this upper, and I'm really pretty happy with the results. As you can see, we've got a ton of just grass and dirt trapped in those spikes on the bottom of the shoe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take them outside so we don't dirty up our table too much. I'm gonna brush those off with a stiff bristle brush. All right, so I went ahead and took these guys outside and kicked off all that loose grass and dirt with our stiff bristle brush. Came back inside to realize I'd been calling our medium bristle brush our soft bristle brush the whole time. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this one more time on the uppers with the soft bristle brush. So if you caught that, good on you. But I'm gonna move back to the medium bristle brush for our midsoles because these are a painted midsole and I do not want to scuff or scratch any of that paint off with our stiff bristle brush. All right, now I've mentioned on the channel a handful of times how much I love golf. I'm a full-on addict. I really enjoy playing. So it was a blast to get out with the guys this weekend. But one of the best things for me, one of my favorite things about golf is just putting together all the gear, getting your swag on. I typically play in a pair of Adidas Boost golf shoes, and so this was my first time wearing a Jordan golf shoe, and it's a pretty sick shoe. It's not uncomfortable, but this little heel tab area just like rubbed up on my ankles quite a bit. So maybe it requires some breaking in, but if you've worn these shoes, why don't you hit us up down below to let us know how you like them, how they feel. And if you're a golfer, like, what's your favorite piece of golf swag that you've got? All right, so we got the midsoles all cleaned and wiped down for that pre-treatment. I'm gonna go ahead and move to our last step, which is gonna be the outsole, and hit that with our stiff bristle brush. Now, these spikes are a little bit stubborn just because there's like hard to reach areas all the way around it. I'm not too concerned about it, but it's a pain to clean these soles, and there's no two ways about that. All right, you guys, so that wraps it up for the pre-treatment on the shoe itself. So I'm gonna set that off to the side, and we're gonna go ahead for our last step, which is gonna be to clean our shoelaces. It'd be silly not to clean your shoelaces and put dirty shoelaces back into a clean shoe. Never wanna do that. So we're just gonna go ahead and dip them into our solution and get them as saturated as we can. These clean up pretty easy, but we're also gonna throw them into the wash so they don't have to be perfect at this point. You can roll them in your hands just like that. Another tip is you can take your soft bristle brush and get after them this way. This is especially helpful if you're not gonna do the laundry system for your shoes. But just a quick and easy tip, and we'll wring those out. All right. Soft bristle brush will go over here onto our swifty little drying rack. And then we'll pull out our laundry bag. All right. All right, so we've got a pouch on the front of our laundry bag now, so that you can just drop your shoelaces right in there. And as well, I'm gonna grab one of our laundry pods and stick that in there as well. Now these laundry pods are also concentrated just like our solution, so you can clean up to 4 pairs of shoes in one load of laundry. So it's a great idea to just batch up your cleanings and do them all at once. I mean, do 4 at once. All right, so shoes in the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and put our towel and our cleaning mat in the wash with the shoe as well. And we'll head to the laundry room. All right, so the threes have come out of the wash. We let them dry in the sun for a little bit out back, and I gotta tell you, I'm pretty happy with these results. And I would rock it again, honestly. You know, I think I could probably like break in or build some calluses up on my ankle to deal with that rubbing, but I just think the shoe is a really great looking shoe, and I had a great time golfing with the guys. So like I said earlier in the video, we are doing a giveaway. We're gonna be giving away our signature kit today. So check it out. All you gotta do is comment down below with your favorite quote from the movie Happy Gilmore. And you're gonna leave your Instagram handle as well in that comment so that our social team can reach out to you via direct message to notify you if you've won. Best of luck. And I hope you guys enjoyed this content. As I said earlier, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel, enable those post notifications, and you'll be able to know immediately when our new videos publish, and there's gonna be a giveaway in every single video. So, I mean, there's no reason not to watch, guys. If you did enjoy this content, leave us a comment down below, and if you're a golfer, why don't you let us know what your personal best score is? And remember, there's no lying on YouTube, so be honest. And we'll catch you guys next time. Vic's gonna be back for another Monday video, and then next Thursday, we're back with another episode of Shoe Care Academy.